Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Merritt, and today during this course we're going to focus on the modern artist Henri Matisse, and then we're going to do an arts and crafts project based on his work. But before we get into that, I wanted to introduce you to Henri Matisse as an artist and give you a context of where and what he was making, and then zero in on the phase of his life and the artwork he was producing that we're going to focus on for our own project. Just to start, it's Henri Matisse. It's the French version of Henri, so it's Henri, just in case you're not really sure what I'm saying. And he was working in the early 20th century or the early 1900s, which was a time of transition in the art world. Where a lot of artists were trying to break from the very traditional and set visual vocabulary, especially in the Western art world. And France was the hub, or specifically Paris, was the hub of a lot of Western art where everything was kind of being created. Everyone from around the world flocked there because that's where they could have their name known, where they could be recognized